Are your tires feeling more like city slickers than off-road warriors? Fear not. We're about to kick those pavement-pampered treads to the curb and dive into the world of all-terrain tires. Whether you're conquering rocky trails, muddy patches, or simply want to look like a badass while picking up groceries, the right all-terrain tires will transform your vehicle from a gentle sedan into a rugged adventurer. Let's roll into the ultimate guide for the best all-terrain tires that will keep you cruising no matter where the road takes you. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. General Grabber AT2, our pick for best budget all-terrain tire. If you're a fan of hitting the trails without breaking the bank, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the General Grabber AT2, the all-terrain tire that won't have your wallet saying, "What have you done?" This year-round wonder boasts a section width of 215 millimeters, ready to take on any adventure you throw its way. With a load capacity of 1,764 pounds, your gear is covered, whether it's camping supplies or the entire tailgate party. It even has a tread depth of 10-30 seconds, making it the perfect partner for those muddy escapades. Weighing in at a mere 23.5 pounds, it's light enough for a friendly sparring match, but rugged enough to tackle the rough stuff. Designed for 16-inch rims with a pleasing 70 aspect ratio, the Grabber AT2 features a 5-road tread pattern equipped with multiple traction edges. Because who needs single-dimensional tires in a multi-dimensional world? With extra deep tread to grip it and rip it, and an advanced acoustic design that ensures your ride is smoother than your dad's best dad jokes, you'll hardly notice the road noise. Plus, it meets the severe snow service requirements of both the Rubber Manufacturers Association and Rubber Association of Canada, so you can conquer winter without a hitch. Grab your General Grabber AT2 tires and unleash the adventurer in you, because great trails await, and they don't come with a hefty price tag. Number 4. Cooper Evolution MT, our pick for best self-cleaning all-terrain tire. If you're ready to conquer muddy trails and rocky paths without losing your cool or your tires, then the Cooper Evolution MT is the rugged companion you didn't know you needed. Designed for year-round adventures, this all-terrain tire is your ticket to off-road confidence, allowing you to power through almost anything Mother Nature throws your way. You'll be strutting over the toughest terrains, thanks to the bold tread patterns armed with Earth Digger's technology. With big, bad blocks and alternating mud scoops, these tires are like a superhero cape for your vehicle, digging into mud and sand like a champ. And speaking of champions, let's talk Mudslinger's technology, because who needs a spa day when your tires can clear thick mud with ease? The deep, wide trenches are ready to tackle the messiest trails, making sure your ride stays smooth as butter. But that's not all. With stone barriers providing extra durability, you can say goodbye to pesky punctures from sharp rocks. These tires are like the bodyguards of the off-road world, keeping your adventures punchy and filled with excitement. So, buckle up and get ready to unleash your wild side with the Cooper Evolution MT, your trusty partner in crime for all things off-road. Still searching for the perfect all-terrain tire? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. General Grabber ATX, our pick for best balanced all-terrain tire. If you're tired of your tires feeling like they're auditioning for a circus act every time you venture off the beaten path, it's time to give the General Grabber ATX a whirl. Designed for those who thrive on adventure and don't mind a little dirt under their nails, these all-terrain champions are the perfect blend of rugged durability and smooth on-road performance. You want a tire that can take on the wild without leaving you in a wild panic, right? With a tread depth of 16-30 seconds and a non-directional design, you can tackle everything from rocky trails to muddy fields without breaking a sweat. And with a load capacity of 2,679 pounds, feel free to haul that extra gear for your weekend escapades. This tire can handle it. Worried about noise? Forget the roar of frustration. The Grabber ATX ensures your ride is quieter than an introvert at a party. Plus, with up to 60,000 miles of limited manufacturer tread life coverage, you won't have to throw in the towel anytime soon. So, whether you're hitting the highway or the roughest of terrains, the General Grabber ATX has got your back and your wheels. Consider it your trusty sidekick in all your four-wheeled adventures, because who says you can't have a bit of fun while dominating the road? Number 2. Cooper Discoverer AT3 our pick for best severe weather-rated all-terrain tire. If you're fed up with playing tire roulette every time rain clouds threaten or snowflakes start to dance, then the Cooper Discoverer AT3 is ready to swoop in and save the day. These all-terrain, all-season marvels are more than just stylish rubber on your rims. They're your trusted co-pilot in the fight against Mother Nature's mood swings. When faced with icy roads or rain-drenched streets, the AT3 doesn't just grip. It wraps around the asphalt like an old friend giving you a reassuring hug. And let's be real, who needs the drama of skidding? With these tires, you can stop over 20 feet shorter in snowy conditions, turning your ride into a smooth sailing adventure. Crafted for maximum grip and comfort on-road while still strong enough to tackle tough off-road trails, these tires make rocky paths feel like a walk in the park. With a load capacity of 1,764 pounds and a generous tread depth of 13.530 seconds, they're not just ready for the challenge, they're excited for it. So whether you're cruising through stormy weather or blazing trails off the beaten path, the Cooper Discoverer AT3 has your back all year round. Don't just drive, own the road. Your ride deserves nothing less. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. BFGoodrich All-Terrain T AKO2, our pick for best all-terrain tire overall. If you're tired of tires that throw in the towel at the first sign of mud or snow, it's high time you met the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T AKO2. These bad boys are the all-terrain champions you've been waiting for, proving that toughness and comfort can indeed share the same rubber. With a beefy 10.5-inch section width and a load capacity that practically screams, "Bring it on!" at 3,085 pounds. These tires are designed for those who live life on the edge. Whether you're barreling down a rocky path, cruising through a muddy quagmire, or navigating a snowy wonderland, these tires deliver year-round traction that even your grandma would trust. That's right, they come with a fancy 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, so winter won't cramp your style. But let's chat about stability. The interlocking tread elements don't just look cool, they provide serious grip and handling so you can tackle those tough terrains with confidence. Say goodbye to uneven wear. Their advanced footprint shape ensures these tires wear evenly, giving you a longer lifespan and less time worrying about replacing them. So, if you're ready to dominate every drive, be it on the highway or the backcountry, strap on a set of BFGoodrich All-Terrain T AKO2 tires. Your adventures are waiting, and it's time to hit the road and unleash the fun. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best all-terrain tires. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which all-terrain tire you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.